of time, but in such institutions, time does not become constraint. And we have worked with that system. So Dr. Vijay Joshi, being the head of the KJ Somaiya College, the Somaiya Education, a group of institutions, the trust headed by Shri Samir Bhaiji, we had no other alternative to think, and also readily accepting the invitation that this should be organized at Somaiya College. So on behalf of my Vice Chancellor, I would like to thank both Samir Bhaiji and the whole management and Dr. Vijay Joshi for accepting this and organizing this ICE series, third in line at Somaiya College. Maybe tomorrow more institutions will join, but first it will remain in the history of University of Mumbai. The third series, when it had gone to colleges, it has first gone to KJ Somaiya College. And I have no reason to doubt, or I am 100% sure it will be a great success. He has the team with Dr. Vijay Joshi have very meticulously planned. Inviting Dr. Rajendra Singh ji as a first speaker itself indicates volumes that to what level we want to organize such lectures. My only appeal to my students is take fullest advantage of, very rightly said by Dr. Bhushan Diwan ji, that it should not remain only lecture. It should not be that we are listening and, because I remember I have somewhere read in that if you plant 5 saplings, you will always go to heaven. And 5 saplings of what kind? So bird, ficus and all good trees. So, it is everywhere it has been told the importance of the environment and the environment awareness, sustainability, and also how we can move in that direction. I'm just trying to one example. Mr. Phondekar, Dr. Phondekar is here he's in our NSS program co-coordinator. Very recently, 18 July, the NSS volunteers from the University of Mumbai have planted 50,000 saplings in one day with Department of Social Forestry. 18 July happens to be Foundation Day of the university, and it is in Thane district. They have selected the near in the rural area, the Social Forestry Department and NSS of University of Mumbai. They have taken this initiative. So we are concerned, we know what are our responsibilities, but at the same time, students can take it forward and create wonders for living in the society very happily. The last point which I want to say is, there will be every Saturday these lectures. Eminent speakers have already been shortlisted for such all. We will be developing into this all lecture series into a booklet, and it will be published. So the all proceedings, etc., will be taking. We at University of Mumbai will take all these good initiatives very seriously. Before I conclude, I, on behalf of University of Mumbai, once again extend a warm welcome to each one of you for this program, especially our chief guest, Dr. Rajendra Singh ji, the Mega CC Award winner, and Samir Bhaiji and Dr. Vijay Joshi, Ranganathan ji, all for accepting this responsibility. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the address. Much has been said about environmental issues through thousands of textbooks filled with theoretical solutions for the sufferings of our fellow human beings. but what really matters is what we do practically. Our chief guest here today is one of those people who implement practical knowledge and try to solve environmental issues. I would like to call our principal, Dr. Vijay Joshi, to introduce our revered speaker.
आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि, बड़े आदर से देववाणी में जिनको भारत का दूसरा भगीरथ कहा गया है, राजेंद्र सिंह जी, जिनके अस्तित्व से परम पूज्य केजे सोमैया जी का आभास होता है, वो आदरणीय लीलाबेन कोटक जी, जिनसे मैं बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित हुआ हूं। हालांकि बहुत ज्यादा संस्थाओं में मैं ज्यादा देर तक रहता नहीं हूं, ऐसा मेरा चलन है, लेकिन एक व्यक्तित्व से मैं बड़ा प्रभावित हूं, जिसकी वजह से मैं सोमैया विद्या विहार में सदा कार्यरत हूं। वो सोमैया विद्या विहार के प्रेसिडेंट श्री समीर सोमैया जी, जो अपने आप में अनोखे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रह चुके हैं, हमारे मार्गदर्शक वी रंगनाथन जी, और जिनके बलबूते पे अगले सारे उच्च शिक्षा का खाका निकाला जाएगा, वो हमारे प्रो होस्ट श्री दीवान जी। मैं सबसे पहले चाहूंगा कि मेरी दरखास्त भी रंगनाथन जी से है कि हमारे बीच डिप्टी म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर बंबाले जी है, उनका फूल देके आप स्वागत करें। हमारे कुलगुरु महोदय ने एनलाइटन योरसेल्फ एवरी सैटरडे नाम की एक सीरीज शुरू की, विद्यार्थियों की शुरू की। उसका सबसे पहला पुष्प था विज्ञान और तंत्र ज्ञान, और उसके अद्भुत चमत्कारों से विद्यार्थियों को अवगत किया गया और उनके दुष्परिणामों से भी विद्यार्थियों को अवगत करा दिया। और दूसरा पुष्प था समाजशास्त्रीय परिणाम, और आज का पुष्प भविष्य के लिए पर्यावरण रक्षण, जिसका प्रयोजन मुंबई विद्यापीठ के तत्वाधान से केजे सोमैया महाविद्यालय के साथ किया जा रहा है। इस समारोह में मैं आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। जो काम जिन्होंने मेरे विषय में बहुत ज्यादा कह दिया, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, उसे आप थोड़ा सा टेक इट विथ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट। हमारे प्रो वाइस चांसलर नरेश चंद्र जी, इनके साथ मैं बहुत सालों से काम कर चुका हूं, इसलिए बहुत मुझे चाहते हैं, तो बहुत ज्यादा उन्होंने मेरे लिए कह दिया। सर, आपकी तरफ से और केजे सोमैया कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस एंड कॉमर्स की तरफ से सबसे पहले सभी विद्यार्थियों का जो यहां बैठे हैं, उनका मैं स्वागत करता हूं। और इसी के साथ जो विद्यार्थी एव्यू के माध्यम से अनेक महाविद्यालयों ने इस समारोह का आनंद ले रहे हैं, उनका भी मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। जैसे शुरू में कहा गया कि उच्च शिक्षा में चॉक एंड टॉक के बजाय अनुभव के आधार पर जो शिक्षा होती है, वो हमेशा अपने साथ रहती है। और हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में ऐसे अनूठे उपक्रम से उस तरह का अनुभव विद्यार्थियों को दिया जाता है। मुझे काम सौंपा गया है कि मैं आपका परिचय दूं, हालांकि मैं उसके लायक नहीं हूं, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि विद्यार्थियों से मैं अवगत कराऊं। राजेंद्र सिंह is a well-known water conservationist for Alwar district, Rajasthan in India, also known as Waterman of India. He won the Raman Magsaysay Award of Community Leadership in 2001 for his pioneering work, a community-based effort in water harvesting and water management. After finishing high school education, he joined Bharatiya Rishikul Ayurvedic Mahavidyalaya College, received a degree in Ayurvedic medicine and surgery, and after completing his studies, he joined government service in 1980 and started his career as a national service volunteer for education in Jaipur. From where he was appointed to look over the adult education schools in Dausa district in Rajasthan. Meanwhile, he joined Tarun Bharat Sangh, which was founded in 1975. The NGO in a village, Kishori Bhikampur, near Sariska Tiger Reserves, has been instrumental in fighting slow bureaucracy, mining lobby, and has helped villagers to take charge of a water management in their semi-arid area as it lies close to Thar Desert. To the use of Zohards, rainwater storage tanks, check dams, and other time-tested as well as path-breaking technique, he played a catalyzing role in building 8,600 Zohard water harvesting structures in 1,058 villages spread over 6,500 kilometers. Out of this, 3,500 were built by Tarun Bharat Sangh, and as an after effect of these, the community which was motivated to build the remaining 5,100 structure. For these 5,100 structure, only technical help was provided. It was what brought water back to 1,000 villages and revived 5 rivers in Rajasthan. He has also been organizing Pani Panchayat or water parliament in the district village in Rajasthan to make people aware of the traditional water conservation wisdom, the urgency of a groundwater recharge for maintaining underground aquifers, and advocating community control over natural resources. In 2005, he was awarded a Jamnalal Bajaj Award. In 2009, he led Padayatra, a march of a group of environmentalists and NGOs through Mumbai city along the endangered Mithi River. He is one of the members of a National Ganga River Basin Authority under Ministry of Environment, Government of India. Sir, on behalf of University of Mumbai and on behalf of all students of University of Mumbai, we welcome you for this very first session of Enlighten Yourself every Saturday, Environment for Future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the very pertinent description of Dr. Singh. I would like to call the volunteers to clear the stage so that we can let Rajendra Singh ji have the stage.